2006 Volvo XC90. I'm going to show you how to reset the time for regular maintenance message. So to start, put the key to the ignition 1. Then you're going to push and hold this reset button for the odometer. Then turn to 2, ignition 2, and continue to hold this down. And after about 10 seconds, you're going to see that light start flashing. Release the light, push it again. You're going to hear a beep. That means it's been successful. So turn the ignition off. When you start the vehicle again, the message will no longer be there. So to summarize, turn this to position 1. Push and hold that button there, the odometer reset button. Within 2 seconds of pushing and holding that, turn the key to position 2. You continue to hold that until you see this start flashing. Once you see it start flashing, release that, and then push it again and hold it for about 5 seconds, and you'll hear a beep. And once you hear that beep, you know that the message has been reset.